great way to build your explosive power and strength is with clean grip high pulls with a barbell. Start with these to build strength and power rapidly. I also really like doing dumbbell pullovers on the side of the bench. This will work your posture tremendously. Of course, you also need to work your inner thigh and groin strength. Today I did some adductor plank holds by grabbing I think a 35 here. Moving right into a nice core exercise being the barbell landmine twist. This one's going to have your arms nice and straight, working your rotational core strength. This is great for beginners, but also athletes as well. In addition to that, I tried out this new shoulder and bicep exercise. This really challenges the small rotator cuff muscles in your shoulders and also the connective tissue strength in your biceps. Go really light with this because it is extremely demanding. Then, of course, flipping around to work your triceps. This exercise seems goofy, but I promise you it will burn your triceps and get a really deep stretch through that area. Flipping around, doing some reverse Nordics with a little bit of assistance of those TRX cables. Try to go down as far as you can without pain and just use those with a little assistance in your arms, but mainly with your legs. Using the rings, a little direct bicep work here. You're almost imagining doing ring rows, but instead of pulling with your lats and your elbows down, you're literally just pulling up with your biceps. So it's kind of a interesting exercise, but you can get a really good bicep pump doing this. And the hamstring curl on a stability ball is incredibly difficult. Try to keep your hips up towards the sky using 2 legs or 1 if you're advanced. Of course, we need to finish with some cardio. I hopped on the manual treadmill hill and did a 1-minute sprint as hard as I could, and then flipped around. It did 1 minute of light treadmill walking in a bunch of different varieties: toes pointed forward, toes pointed out, and then toes pointed inward.